This is a collective general reading for the sign Virgo. Take what resonates, leave it doesn't. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Virgo, with the Seven of Wands, this person wants to come in and defend this higher level of commitment with you. This person sees you as wish fulfillment with this Knight of Cups, so this is your wishes coming true. With this Ace of Cups, this is a new emotional offer that this person is going to be bringing to you. This is a new relationship, a commitment. With this Nine and this Ace of Cups equals 10. So this person is going to lead to your 10 of Cups. All your wishes being fulfilled, family, marriage, kids, all of that above. But you also have patience. Just a few more months, good things come to those who wait. So this will be coming in for you in divine timing. And you also have pets. Some of you may be getting a new pet. And you also have, they'll be back. Expect to hear from them soon. So expect to hear from this person. You could be dealing with a Taurus with this Hierophant. This is your message. Love and light. Love is key.